So, you're ready to get into crypto and Uphold caught your eye. It's a great platform for beginners because of its easy-to-use interface and a ton of different assets you can buy. Here's a quick guide on how to get started and buy your first cryptocurrency on Uphold. First things first, you need to sign up for an account. Head over to the Uphold website or download the app. You'll enter your personal details, verify your email, and create a password. Just like with any financial service, you'll also need to complete identity verification. This is a standard security step to comply with regulations, and it's essential before you can start trading. Have your ID and a quick selfie ready. It usually takes just a few minutes. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. On Uphold, you can connect your bank account, use a debit or credit card, or even deposit crypto you already own from an external wallet. Bank transfers are often free, while card purchases may have a fee. Choose the method that works best for you. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy. Tap on the Transact button. This is where Uphold's anything-to-anything system shines. You'll see a From and to field. In the From field, select the currency you want to use. This could be your bank account, a debit card, or a different crypto you've already funded. In the To field, search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a new altcoin. Enter the amount you want to spend. The platform will automatically calculate how much crypto you will receive. This is a great feature because it shows you exactly what you're getting without any surprises. You'll see the total transaction details, including any fees, before you confirm. Take a moment to review everything. Once you're happy with the details, just tap Confirm and you've done it. The cryptocurrency will appear in your Uphold portfolio almost instantly. From there, you can hold it, trade it for another asset, or send it to an external wallet. And that's it. Buying crypto on Uphold is a straightforward process, designed to get you from a beginner to a crypto owner in no time. Happy trading!